Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sunil Chauhan and you are watching episode 6 of Engineering 1500 square feet 4 BHK floor plan in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, you will learn how to add a staircase to your floor plan. So let's jump into our Illustrator document and get started. First thing first, I need to measure the width of this section where I am going to have my staircase. So as you can see, I have placed my reference rectangle inside this section. Now I will just increase the width of this reference rectangle to match the width of this section which will house the staircase. Now keeping your reference rectangle selected, if you look in the properties panel on the right, you will notice that the height shown there is 1.75 inches. This height in this case basically represents the width of the space where we will house our staircase. Since 1.75 inches is actually the scale dimension, so essentially this equals to 7 feet in actual size. Let me show you this by the calculations. Let's convert 7 feet to inches by multiplying it with 12, and this is equal to 84 inches. Now let's divide 84 inches by our scale factor of 48 and we get scale dimension of 1.75 inches. I actually need my step size of the staircase to be half of 7 feet, which is equal to 3 feet and 5 inches. Let's convert the 3 feet and 5 inches to scale dimensions. So let's multiply 3.5 with 12 and we get 42 inches. Now let's divide it by scale factor of 48 and we get 0.875 inches. This is the scaled width of the step that our staircase will have. Now let me dial in the 0.875 inches in the height section of the properties panel. Also let's make the width in the properties panel equal to 0.056 inches. So we have our first step of the staircase drawn right here. Now let's choose the selection tool and then select this first step of our staircase and then press and hold Alt key and drag out a copy of this and place it precisely just next to it, representing our second step of the staircase. After this, all you have got to do is just select the step that you just placed and then press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D and you will get another copy created right next to it. Now press this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D repeatedly and you will create the staircase. Now using the selection tool, select all the steps and make a group using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G. After that, just press the Alt key and drag a copy of this. Now let's leave some space between the staircase by resizing using the bounding box. Voila! Our staircase is now ready. The next episode is going to be quite interesting and fun as I'll be adding furniture and fixtures to our floor plan. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.